everybody. We're super excited to explain to you how to use the Google Cardboard. The first thing you're going to need to do is download the app. You can find it on either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. The app is called Google Expeditions. So go ahead and download that onto your phone. You will need a smartphone in order to do this. Unfortunately, my phone was too big. I have the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, which is known for being large, and it is too big for the Google Cardboard. So if you're in a situation like that, just make sure to partner up with somebody in your class or follow your teacher's instructions.
Alright guys, so next you're going to take it out of the box and open it up, and you're going to see two flaps. So you're going to fold the flap downwards and stick it to the Velcro on the side, and you're good to go.
Alrighty, and once you have the app pulled up, you will go and press Explore, and then you will go, and if you're exploring on your own, you'll press Embark. But if the teacher is running something already, then you will press it that you are a student and you are exploring. And then once you have your VR pulled up, then you will put it in where this flap is right here, where there's a picture and a diagram of how to fold everything. And then you'll put it back here, and then you will Velcro it on top right here. And then there's a metal little piece right here, and then you press this and it's connected to the magnet of your phone, and it'll switch the different scenes of the VR.
And once you are inside of the Google Cardboard, what you want to do is you want to look up, you want to look down, side to side, to get the full experience of what is going on in the app. Once you are fully aware of what's going on, if you start to feel any type of discomfort or anything like that, you might want to hold on if you start to feel motion sickness. Or if you have glasses and you have a glare, I recommend that you take off your glasses during the expedition. And also, you want to sit down and take breaks if you continue to feel any type of discomfort.
Thanks for watching.
Bye!